HelloQuery AI is making waves as one of the most talked about newly released AI tools. And today we're going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. If you're looking for an AI solution to boost your business or streamline operations, you'll want to stay tuned to the end. This could be a game changer. First, let's dive into what HelloQuery AI actually does. Essentially, it's an advanced AI-powered tool designed to simplify the process of querying and analyzing data. Whether you're working with large data sets or need specific insights quickly, HelloQuery AI helps you extract, analyze, and interpret data in an intuitive way. It's not just for tech experts, it's designed with ease of use in mind. One of the standout features of HelloQuery AI is its query generation capability. It automatically generates complex queries based on your data, which means you don't have to be an SQL master to get accurate, high-level results. You simply describe what you're looking for, and the AI handles the heavy lifting. For those of you new to AI, this could significantly speed up your data-driven decisions and save you time. HelloQuery AI also integrates seamlessly with various data sources like CRMs, spreadsheets, and databases. This means whether you're using Google Sheets, Salesforce, or even custom-built databases, you can plug HelloQuery AI in without major compatibility issues. It centralizes your data workflow and makes everything easier to manage. Another key feature to highlight is its natural language processing, NLP. This allows users to ask questions in plain English. Forget about writing technical queries. You can simply ask, what were my top performing products last quarter? And HelloQuery AI will give you the insights you need. It's a massive time saver for non-technical users and even marketing teams who want quick, actionable insights without waiting for a report. Now let's talk about automation. HelloQuery AI doesn't just stop at querying data. It helps automate repetitive tasks like generating reports, setting up alerts for certain thresholds, and even automatically updating your data with the latest information. For businesses looking to reduce manual work and streamline operations, this feature is invaluable. Security is another crucial aspect of HelloQuery AI. They use industry-leading encryption and compliance standards to ensure that your data remains protected. With so many businesses handling sensitive information, knowing that your data is in safe hands is a huge plus. Finally, one of the best parts about HelloQuery AI is that you can try it completely free. That's right. There's no risk to give it a go and see if it fits your needs. If you're curious about testing it out, you can find a free trial link in the description below. So don't hesitate to dive in and explore for yourself. Now, if you've been using AI tools to enhance your business, you know the value of finding the right one. After trying thousands of AI software solutions myself, I've curated a list of the best tools in the description, all of which you can try for free. Be sure to check those out after you've explored HelloQuery AI. To sum up, HelloQuery AI is one of the most promising AI tools on the market today. Whether you're in data analysis, business intelligence, or even marketing, it's built to save time, improve accuracy, and make your processes more efficient. Don't miss out. Explore the free trial now and see for yourself.